Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Carsa Cardeen, and today I'm going to be showing you a 3-bedroom condo in Turnberry Ocean Club. It's amazing. The view is spectacular. It's lovely. It's beautiful, and it's definitely one of my favorite buildings. I've seen a lot of buildings, but this one tops it. Absolutely stunning. When I show you, you will see what I'm talking about. So stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get with the video. I got my bags. I'm ready to move in, and I'm in this apartment and I'm not coming out. This is my 3-bedroom apartment, and I'm just giving you guys a tour of it because I'm sharing. Sharing is caring, and I want to share with you guys this beautiful 3-bedroom that I'm going to be waking up to. The views are spectacular. The views are amazing. My kitchen is open concept and I love it so much. I have a steam oven, a regular oven, a coffee maker. I have my microwave and my hot plate. What else do I want in the kitchen? Nothing else. It's open concept, my favorite. I absolutely love it. My view is just going to motivate me, give me inspiration every day when I open my eyes, because I'm looking at this creation from the Lord up above, and it is just amazing. I can cook my eggs outside because eggs is smelly when you cook it inside, so you have to cook it outside. My kitties will be good. I have my maid quarter. I could even use it as a den, a reading room, my quiet room, my yoga room, my sanctuary, whatever I want to use it as. That's what I'm going to use it as. My meditation room, because you definitely need a meditation room to keep your sanity. I have my laundry as well, and I have 2 other bedrooms that I could share with the kiddies, or if I have friends or family over, the bedroom are perfect because they have a view too. They have city view, which is amazing, and it's overlooking the bay as well, and a balcony that they could definitely sit outside and do their yoga and their meditation as well, because I want them to have a fulfilled life just like me. So we're going into the other bedroom because it's much bigger, and this might be for a family member. If I want to have a family member over, they have their balcony as well and a full bathroom, so they don't have to interrupt me to get into my bathroom, because I'm about to take you guys into my bathroom now and show you my sanctuary, because the queen always need a sanctuary to wake up to and a sanctuary for herself. So I have 2 closet now. One is for his and one is for me. I'm definitely getting the bigger one because I have the most clothes and the most shoes, and I'm always doing the mostest. So that is my bathroom and my closet, my bedroom, and my outdoor kitchen, which I can definitely enter from my living room or from my bedroom. Look at the view that I will be waking up to. This view is amazing, spectacular, and it is God's creation that I absolutely love. And who wouldn't love waking up to that? My bathroom will definitely soak all my worries away, because that bath is just waiting for me to get in, unwind with a glass of wine. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and guess what? See you later. Bye guys.